Hello everyone, it's Graham and I'm back in the kitchen cupboard, and it's good to see you all and thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all safe and well. This is our first episode of 2021 and we've got a little bit of a treat for you. Today we're going to be making eggy bread, but with a little bit of a difference. And we've got the ingredients here. So you need some bread, quite thick, cut in half, eggs of course. I've got a whisk and a spoon to help me make this. I've got some butter, I've got some cheese, and secret ingredient, strawberry jam. So what we're going to do today, I will show you how to do the prep, and then we'll do the cooking, and then everybody's gonna just eat. Right, so I've got myself a bowl and I'm just gonna crack my eggs in. Just gonna use 2 to start with and give it a good old whisk. And the secret of success with this recipe is making sure that the yolk and the white is really well combined. So see, it's starting to go that creamy colour. That's because it's all getting mixed up. It gets nice and fluffy and bubbly as well. That's even better. We have some lovely whisked up egg. Right, we're over at the cooker, and as you can see, I've got the gas on a medium heat. You don't want this too hot at all. And what we're going to do now is melt some butter. So we put the frying pan over onto the heat. I'm just going to get a little bit of butter, a teaspoon or 2, not much, it's just to coat the pan. So there we are, nice melted butter in the frying pan. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to pour the egg in as if you were making an omelette. And get your 2 slices of bread. Coat one side and then just flip it over. Flip over the other side, and you need a little gap in between for the next step. And we're just going to gently cook this until it starts to come away from the pan. Not quite there yet. Right, now comes the tricky bit. We've got to flip this over to cook the other side. Don't worry if it gets a little bit broken or folded. What we're going to do now is add some cheese on one side, and you can add anything you like in this, just use your imagination. A bit of cooked bacon or some ham. I am going to put some strawberry jam in mine. And then we're just going to fold the egg over like this. Say Doesn't matter if it's a little bit broken. So we folded it over, and now we're just going to cook it gently on both sides until the cheese melts. Okay, so I'm going to call that done. Hopefully the cheese has melted in the middle and the jam's nice and warm. Put that on my plate. Turn off the heat. And let's have a look. Careful, because this is going to be hot. Oh, I can see the jam oozing out already. Here we go. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at all that gooey cheese. Oh. Mmm. That is a winning combination. So guys, I want you to go and have a try at this. Sending me your videos and pictures of you having a go at doing some cooking. Make it for a treat for your family or a little snack for yourself. But have fun and stay safe. We'll see you in the next episode.